Temperatures slipping a bit this afternoon. We had a cold front move through this morning, but I'll tell you, the air was so warm ahead of that front that even as temperatures dip a little bit this afternoon, we're still way above normal for this time of year. So there's just not much to complain about on this Monday afternoon. 57 degrees at 3 o'clock this afternoon. Mild, dry. There will be some clouds around, but most of them the high thin variety, cirrus clouds we call them. By 6 o'clock tonight, yeah, the temperatures continue to slip. We're down to about 52, and I'd say by 9 p.m. at the latest, we're down into the 40s, probably more like mid 40s at that point. Now, if you notice over St. Louis, it appears as though the clouds are thickening. Yes, that is in advance of our next weather maker. I expect rain to develop right on top of us during the overnight hours. Let me show you the latest run of the Forewarned Super Predictor. There's been a bit of a timing change here, but not much. I'll start the clock at 10 p.m. tonight. Looks very quiet at that point. It's really between about 3 and 6 when rain begins to develop west of St. Louis. Now, if we're lucky, we might be able to dodge the heavier rain in the metro area during the busy part of the morning drive. But that's a big question mark right now. If this model run is running just a little bit slow, we'll be into some heavy rain by the time the roads are really getting busy. Certainly by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning at the latest, heavier rain is in and around the greater St. Louis area. Notice the reds and the oranges here. There could even be a little bit of thunder and lightning here. The conditions are not favorable for severe thunderstorms. That's good news. Not favorable for flooding either, but there could be some heavy rain. By the time this round gets out of here by 2 or 3 tomorrow afternoon, we're thinking maybe 1 to 2 inches across a fairly wide swath of our coverage area, but at least a ½ an inch on a fairly widespread basis. By evening drive tomorrow, this is basically winding down. There might still be a couple of showers on the radar. And then Tuesday night and Wednesday morning look quiet. But here's a bit of new information for you. I've got the timing on our next round of rain, which looks to arrive Wednesday. Now, this is going to be heavier from St. Louis to the south and east, and most of this is going to fall in the afternoon. Okay, so there's kind of two waves there. There's a heavy wave on Tuesday. There's a lighter wave on Wednesday that's mainly from St. Louis to the south and east. Let's put it all together on the 7-day forecast. Rain is certainly in the forecast on Tuesday, heavy at times. A morning low of 38, a high of 52, so too warm for anything frozen. 53 for the high on Wednesday, so again, that's just plain rain and just a 40% chance, mainly from St. Louis to the south and east. Thursday looks quiet. Friday, which is New Year's Eve, looks quiet. But Saturday's a day we need to watch. Colder air is going to be plowing in here late in the day on Saturday. There's going to be some moisture around. A little too early to make a rain-snow decision on this one. Looks like it might start as some rain and perhaps end as a little wet snow. But boy, a lot could change between now and then, so stay tuned for updates. One thing's for sure, it's going to be a lot colder behind that system. Sunday's high temperature only at the freezing mark, and Monday not much warmer.